मैं एक आइसबर्ग ट्रिप पे जा रहा हूँ जिसकी ये प्रिपरेशन सब लोग कर रहे हैं और अपने कपड़े चेंज कर रहे हैं. यू आर विद मी ऑन दिस ट्रिप. आइसलैंड को लैंड ऑफ आइस इसलिए कहा जाता है कि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लेशियर और आइसबर्ग्स हैं समंदर में. और उन आइसबर्ग में जो कि नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल होते हैं, एक आइसबर्ग पे अभी हम एक बोट राइड लेके जा रहे हैं. ये तो मैं बोट वाली लोकेशन में पहुंच चुका हूँ. यहाँ से हम सब लोग जो कि ये हैवी प्रोटेक्टेड ड्रेस में है, ये आपको हवा से बचाता है, ये आपको डूबने से बचाता है, ये आपको पानी से बचाता है. तो हम इस लोकेशन में पहुंच चुके हैं. पीछे बैकग्राउंड पे ग्लेशियर है और ग्लेशियर के टुकड़े जो हैं वो टूट के इस झील में फैले हुए हैं. तो हम ये वाली बोट राइड लेकर, ये जो बोट है ये लेकर हम ग्लेशियर्स की तरफ जाएंगे और ग्लेशियर्स को करीब से जो है ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. बहुत ही करीब जाएंगे ग्लेशियर्स के पास और देखेंगे करीब से ग्लेशियर कैसे लगते हैं. लेट्स गो विद मी ऑन दिस बोट राइड. ये हमारी बोट है. Do you mind taking one more picture? Yeah. It's a picture. Thank you.
Oh my god. Maryland vaccine card. Oh. Todo el mundo con las tiene protegidos los amigos en el móvil.
Please, can you see?
Okay.
बोट पे बैठ चुके हैं और बोट का इतना स्टार्ट होने लगी है. वही एक्साइटेड टू दिस बोट राइड. बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है. मुझे कैसा कर लिया इस बोट राइड में.
So my name is Rebecca and I will be your guide. I will just start by safety rules, so please stay seated, stay on board. If you want to stand up, take a picture, it's okay, but just let me know before, like that we slow down. And just 2 persons at the same time stand up. So try to look each other, to be friendly to each other, would be nice. And if you stand up to take a picture, just stand up, take your picture, but don't walk around and do that to each other.
So what the car?
So this is a lake?
Yes,
It's a lake, right?
lagoon.
Lagoon. So it's sweet water or salt?
I mean, because for me it's super weird to say sweet water, but mineral water. So as you can see, there is different color on the iceberg. You have blue, white, or even some black one. So blue is because it's pure compact ice. There is no air on it. White have some air. So only when they are blue like this, they will become white at some point. And then you have the black one. The black one is happened sometimes when the ice flows down from the glacier on a mountain. On this way down, it will scratch everything. So you have some rock, some sediment, and some gravel, some dust. And because Iceland is a volcanic island, so you have even some ashes in burnt volcanoes. So even from the iceberg, you can see just 10% of it. So you think that nature is under the water.
Wait, I love that. Are there any seals?
There is some seals, yeah, because there is a river behind, and there is a flow down to the sea. The fish, the seals came by this way. And then I would say it's you and your luck. You and your luck, so I cannot tell you 100% you will see some seals.
Yeah,
There is
I
some
think
seals.
good luck.
That's good.
Se me tapan los ojos, estoy sonriendo, pero me empiezas ves toda la cara y es los ojos de miedo. Estoy muy incómodo. No sé ni cómo lo haces.
बाहर का टेम्परेचर है वो इस वक्त 7 सेंटीग्रेड है और जो पानी का टेम्परेचर है वो 1 सेंटीग्रेड है। अगर आप इस पानी में गलती से गिर जाएं तो आपको 1 मिनट लगेगा मरते हुए। Yes, please.
People asking No, it's good that you can drink it cold on your cocktail because it's really compact ice. It stays really long on your drink.
Está muy bien con los cubatas,
Are these just floating?
Yeah, everything is wind change. And in Iceland it could be really strong. Then you will push all the iceberg around.
Oh, that's kind of fun for you.
Yeah, yeah, no, it's nice. Sometimes you need even to push them with the boat.
Oh,
There is many iceberg everywhere. Yeah, like I said, the lagoon changes like from day to day, and even from hour to hour sometimes.
Ahí hacemos picante ya. Ahí arriba ya. Hace un poco frío. Así es que se debe.
Aside from seals, I assume they eat something.
There's fish, yeah. Like I said, there is a river, so there is a flow down to the sea. So the fish came by this way, the seals.
They like this cold water?
Yeah, definitely. So the lagoon is 4 square kilometers, and from the edge to the shore there is 2 kilometers. So if you go back 100 years ago, there were no lagoon. The edge of the glacier was where we land. And around 20 years ago it was in the middle. So it started to retreat and quite fast. There is 2 reasons. The first one is because we are still in a little ice age. And during the ice age you have some cycles, glaciation and interglaciation. At the moment we are in interglaciation, so it's kind of normal for the weather to be milder than before. In fact, if we go back 700 years ago, the glacier was just a small ice cake in the summit of the mountain. And between the 13th century and the 19th century, we entered in glaciation cycle. So it started to be colder and colder. So for a formation like this, you just in cold weather, snow and mountain. And then it's just accumulation of different layers of snow. At some point they will start to compact each other, chase out the air, and then you have ice. And because the ice is more heavy, on its own weight it will start to melt the bottom, so the ice will start to flow down. But when the surface is more sensitive, so it will crack, and then you have some different crevasses. So this is the first reason why the glacier melts. The second one is because there is a climate change. So I would say it's normal to melt, it just melts faster. That's the main difference.
बहुत तेज बारिश भी हो रही है और हम ग्लेशियर के पास रहने लगे यहाँ पर बहुत ठंडा मौसम है
No, it's in non-Arctic.
Oh, Arctic. Okay. Nice.
And then the volcanoes are Arctic.
Okay. So in any moment it can.
Any moment.
Now,
But
like
usually with
now, it can blow up.
Yeah, but usually with the volcano, they give you some sign before the like your earthquake and you can see.
We'll be dead in 10 minutes anyway.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, time to go back to the restaurant. Maybe we're gonna go open a beer, but that's it.
Ahí son las palmas, llega.
But like I said before, these glaciers start to retreat and start to be smaller at the same time. The past 20 years, we lose an average of 1 meter of ice every year.
Hey, what? Sorry.
I said these glaciers start to retreat, they start to be smaller at the same time. So the past 20 years, we lose an average of thickness of ice of 1 meter every year. And the lagoon becomes bigger of 50 meters every year. It's almost 1 meter every year. And they estimated at the moment for this glacier, the next centuries, maybe 200 years, it would be gone. Even maybe it would be less. The thing is, when it will happen, the sea level will rise of 1 centimeter just with this glacier. So you can imagine if all the glaciers around the world melt completely, then the sea level can rise of 70 meters. So many cities near the coast, some country like Netherlands, for example, will just disappear under the water.
Oh, I like stroopwafel.
Un Países Bajos.
Nuestro país, señor Gabriel. Son los más altos de Europa. ¿Por dónde? Vale. Los más altos de Europa. Son que se te pecho.
Venga. Sí, cariño, hay que apagar el monstruo. qué forma más.
Nada, hazla ahí.
Ahora lo puedes sacar bien, ¿eh?
Decía yo que había que venir aquí.
Se caiga papá, que se caiga el mono.
Porque hay que ser legal.
Eu voto por Floriña, a Coruña como a Bacalao.
फाइनली बोट राइड जो है वो एंड हो चुकी है। वापस हम लैंड पे पहुंच चुके हैं। यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड है, बारिश भी कंसिस्टेंटली हो रही है। अगर आपने मेरा अमेरिका वाला -17 सेंटीग्रेड का जो व्लॉग था अगर वो देखा होगा तो -17 में मेरे ख्याल में इससे कम सर्दी थी। यहाँ पे अभी सिर्फ 7 सेंटीग्रेड है, लेकिन बर्फ़ और हवा और बारिश होने की वजह से टेम्परेचर जो है वो बेहद ठंडा हो चुका है। तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। आई होप आपने मेरे साथ ये जर्नी को एंजॉय किया होगा और इस पूरी आइसलैंड सीरीज़, आइसलैंड का पाकिस्तान सीरीज़ को आपने एंजॉय किया होगा। कीप ऑन वॉचिंग, फॉलो मी तलहा।